Good morning, sir. Myself, Govindaraju. I am studying in your college in second BTech first sem. And today my topic is types of views in DBMS. First of all, introduction to views in DBMS. Views are virtual tables that provide a way to represent a data from one or more tables. They do not store a data themselves but query the underlying tables to display a result. Understanding the types of views is essential for effective database management system. Here, in database management system, the data will be stored in the table forms, and we can also this data can be stored either permanently, and this data will be are in tabular form only. Here views. Here we see that simple view, complex view, inline view, materials. Some of the views. Then definition of view. The main definition of the view is a view is defined by a SQL query that pulls a data from one or more tables. User can interact with views as if they were regular tables, simplifying data access. Views helps abstractive complex queries, making data more manageable for end users. Here see the diagram. Here table A contains some data and here table B contains some data. Here the we can combine the two tables with some queries, that is a view. And here queries are we can write to combine these tables, and here the tables are contains the some data, etc. And types of views overview. Views can be broadly classified into different type categories based on the behavior and usage. The main types of include simple view, complex view, materialized view, and inline view. Each type of serves a unique purpose and utilizes different scenarios. Simple view. First of all, we can discuss simple view. Simple view are derived from a single base table and usually do not contain any aggregations. Here aggregations, they provide a straightforward way to access specific columns of a table. Here, what about table? The table are contains the columns as well as rows. Simple views can be updated, allowing data manipulation through the views. This table can be updated and changed or dropped using the DML and DDL comments. These comments are used to simplify the data. Complex view. Complex view are created from the multiple tables and can be include joins, aggregations, and subqueries. These views are more powerful but reporting, analyzing, but maybe read only. Complex views encapsulated complex logically simplifying data retrieval from users. Materialization view. These are the one type of a view. This view stores the results of a query physically, allowing for faster data retrieval. They are periodically refreshed to reflect change in the underlying base tables. Materialized views are particularly useful in the data warehousing and reporting applications. Here we see the diagrams. Here column even name and total sales. Here contains some names and some sales. Here this table can be divided into multiple tables, that's events and sales. These are materialization view. Inline view. Inline view are the temporary views defined within a SQL query, often used in subqueries. They allow to user to encapsulate complex queries for easier readability. And inline views do not exist as a persistence object in the database. Here table 1, table 2, this view combines run squares. These are work inline temporary only. Updatable views. These updatable views allows the users to insert, update and delete data as if they were operating on the base table. Certainly, condition must be met for the view to updatable, such as not containing aggregation functions. Here, for this updating the table, we can use DML commands, which DML commands that are insert, delete, update, modify, either etc. And this, and we can also change the integer or float value of the value of the table depending on these conditions. Updatable views are provide a useful abstraction layer from the managing data access. This table name is updated. These are some examples of this. Then read-only views. Read-only views are also one type of a view that restricts user for modifying data, ensuring data integrity and security. These views are often used to present sensitive data without exposing the underlying tables. These read-only views can be simplify complex queries while maintaining a consistent data presentation. This restricted access. Indexed views. Indexed view also known as a materialized views within the index analysis performs for the certain queries only. These they are store data in physically and maintains the indexes, faster data retrieval. If we can access any data from the computer, these stores, if you use this indexes view, this gives a fast and quick and compared to other views. And indexed views are particularly advantageous for aggregation functions and complex calculations. Here look at that table, index view and base tables pre-calculate data like sum aggregation. This gives the result very fast. Security views. Security views are the designed to restricted sensitive data by presenting only specific columns. They help enforce data access political and protect sensitive information from the unauthorized users. Security views are crucial for the compliance with the data protections regulation. This security is also important where we cannot see the public and we secure our data. Partition views. Partition views allows the user to combine data from the multiple tables based on specific criteria. They often use distributed data to aggregate data from the different sources. This, if you see the table in the example, create view, customer view, select table A, union all. Here with this example, we can combine the two tables. Union all means combines all the values in the two tables. Partition views can be improve the performance by reducing the amount of data processed in queries. Performance consideration. The type of view used can signifying affected query, performed on resources usage. Materialization and indexed views generally provide better performance. We compare to read-heavy workloads. Developers should carefully choose the approach while based on the application's requirements. Use case of views. Views can be used reporting security data abstract and simplify complex queries. They enhance the data presentation and control how users interacted. This see how database proper use of views can be lead to improve the applications and user experience. Conclusion. Hence, I conclude that understanding the different types of views DBMS is crucial for effective data designs. Each type of servers specify performance and can leverage to enhance data management by utilizing views appropriately. Organization can improve the data access, security, and performance. Here, the data users act as on screens and work behind the screens. System designers implement tool developers, operators, and maintains, etc. Thank you, sir.